Steve Hassan with a very sad blog about a horrible murder-suicide by a young mother killing her husband and two beloved children. Horrible story. And it's all over the news regarding the fact that she was in the Watchtower organization, wanted her children to get an education. She felt pressured that they shouldn't do that, and they resigned. But it seems there's evidence from her suicide note that she had some delusional thoughts about needing to be ready for the new world. It's a terrible story, but I wanted to write a blog on this subject because it is a subject that includes so many destructive mind control groups, horrible cutting off of loved ones, of family members from one another because of policies, because of doctrines, because of leaders saying so. And for me, it totally violates human rights. It totally violates the spirit of love that religions should be based on. And I truly hope that there'll be more awareness and that organizations that are authoritarian will face so much public scrutiny and so many lawsuits that they will reform their policies. What do you think? Thank you.